SSPK and Skillz both taking off. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a quick video in regards to SPAC and as well as Skillz. Both stocks we've been covering as of late. SSPK, which is Weedmaps, currently a SPAC, but is going to merge with Weedmaps. Took off today because of the I believe it's because of the Democrats winning the House. When we last spoke about it, and I'm not going to get too deep into it, if you do want to get more information on both of these stocks, go ahead and check out our links down below. We do offer videos. We've been doing this, updating both of these stocks very frequently, so you can just go ahead and click down below. Silver Spike acquisition, ticker symbol SSPK. When we last spoke about it, it was roughly, I'm going to go back to the chart here. I think it was right around 13 bucks. Today I had a massive gain. I did sell some of my position. Now, it's important to take profits, because if you don't, you're going to watch it go up, and then you're going to watch it come straight down, and you're going to tell yourself, man, I should have sold some. So I did take some profits. I sold about half of my position, sold out at about $16. I believe it has more upside. I will get back into my position, but for now, just because of the hype, I think within the next few days it might come back down. I'll rebuy my position back in, but I'll make a nice sweet profit. My average here on the cost was $12.22. So at $16, I mean, I'm making right around $4 a share. Sold out about 150 shares. So if you do the math, it's quite a bit. That was one. The other stock was Skillz, which we also just spoke about, and we just made a video yesterday talking about it was a perfect time to buy. It was right around $19, and currently today, Wednesday, it reached a high of right about $24.50, almost $25. So I did sell out some of my position. I had a pretty big position in this one. I didn't sell all of it. I didn't sell half. I sold about 150 shares. I just wanted to recoup some profits. Our buy-in was at 1904. Now, this stock is very volatile, and it's going to continue to be volatile for the moment, just because it's a new stock. It just merged. It used to be a SPAC. So ARK Invest bought into this stock, and you know, that caused the price to go up. But pretty much today, a lot of different stocks went up. So I thought it was a good opportunity to sell some of my position, and I'm definitely going to build a bigger position with this company, because I definitely think it's going to go, you know, it's going to multiply, maybe 2x, 3x, I don't know, but I think it's going to go a lot higher. For now, I'm satisfied with about a 30% gain on it. I'll take the profits. I'll reinvest once the hype goes down a little bit. I'll reinvest that. I'll try to get as close as possible to this 19 price target, and then I'll get my shares back. For now, I just wanted to take a little profit as well. So it's been a nice day in the market, and I just wanted to touch that. We give you these videos, and we make these videos to try to give you, you know, information, and try to put you heads up on game, so that way you can get in when the price is low, and then wait for these runs to happen and go ahead and take some profits. Today's a beautiful day for us. We've made quite a bit of money. We've sold out of some positions. We've reduced our positions as well in other stocks, just because of the hype. Once again, I think after all this goes, you know, after all this settles out, price is going to come down a little bit. It's going to be a good opportunity to buy again, and then we're going to do it all over again. Rinse and repeat. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys. Hopefully you guys got some information here. We do these videos for you guys, so stay tuned. If you like this information, please like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you very much. Have a blessed one, and take care.